Prahlada. Prahlada was born to Kayadu and Hiranyakashipu, an evil demon king, who had been granted a boon that he could not be killed of anything born from a living womb, neither be killed by a man nor an animal, neither during the day nor at night, neither indoors nor outdoors, neither on land nor in the air nor in water, and of no man made weapon. Prahlada, while being in his mother's womb, got to hear sweet Narada's chants. He was taught by Narada in early childhood. As a result, he was devoted to Vishnu. His father didn't like his spiritual inclination and tried to warn Prahlada. Despite several warnings from his father Hiranyakashipu, Prahlada continued to worship Vishnu instead. His father then decided to commit filicide and poison Prahlada, but he survived. He then trampled the boy with elephants, but the boy still lived. Then he put Prahlada in a room with venomous snakes, and they made a bed for him with their bodies. Prahlada was then thrown from a valley into a river but was saved by Vishnu. Holika, the sister of Hiranyakashipu, was blessed in that she could not be hurt by fire. Hiranyakashipu puts Prahlada on the lap of Holika as she sits on a pyre. Prahlada prayed to Vishnu to keep him safe. Holika is then burned to death as Prahlada is left unscathed. This event is celebrated as the Hindu festival of Holi. After tolerating abuse from Hiranyakashipu, Prahlada is eventually saved by Narasimha, Vishnu, in the form of a man-lion chimera, who emerges from within a stone pillar, who places the king on his thighs and kills him with his sharp nails at the entrance to his home at dusk, thus nullifying Hiranyakashipu's all boons of virtual immortality. Prahlada eventually becomes the king of the demons and attained a place in the abode of Vishnu, that is Vaikunta, after his death.